This is what we learned in class on Thursday. So this is problem 2. Find the area of the region bounded by these two equations or curves, you would say. I happen to draw here what we'd be looking for. If I was more descriptive, we're going from -1 to 1. That's what I did here. And then I found this by using the equation. I found the integral of both from -1 to 0 to 0 to 1. And you could see that it gave me the region of like half. For problem 3 is find the volume of the solid obtained by revolving the region bounded by x equals 0, y is the square root of x, and y equals 9 around the y-axis. There's that. Remember, like, I don't know if you guys remember the equation, but when you find the volume of something, it's basically or squared, if I'm not mistaken. But then it's to the y, so we basically have to find the inverse, which is what I did here. And then I input the information here, found the integral, and then input 9 to 0. And this would be the answer. Let me just simplify it better. 9 cubic is equal to 729 over 3 pi, and I think that equals to 243 pi. Number 4 is using partial fractions and separation by power. So it gives us 2 of these questions in number 4. So what I did was simplify this into that, and this gives us partial function, so that I could be able to go to this to do this. Normally we won't be able to do that in calc, or in algebra, but in calc it is manageable unless if you do this. Then what I did here that I didn't show was that I make sure that each of them had the other's equation, so that it all cancels out except for the numbers that stayed there. So it would be this. And then what I did is try to find at least 0 to find what A and B were. This was A and B, as you can see. So then it goes from this to that. And this allows us to find the integral, to make it easier to find an integral of that. You see that once this, it gives us this, because if you remember the rule, 1 over x integral is equal to the line of x, the natural log of x. Same thing here. And then I just used logarithmic expressions, that the natural log of a minus the natural log of b will be the natural log of a over b. And that's what I did right here. For this one, separation by power, I found my u and my dv. This is my u, this is my dv. And then for my dv, I found the integral, and for my u, I found a derivative. And then I just input input all of this into this. I did that. And you can see that this stayed the same. And then you also have to take the integral again later. We can see that we were able to cancel 1x out. So it's basically finding the integral again, and then it gives us this. plus c.